In this vibrant winter, with the market's recognition of Credo Pump's products, the company's orders have ushered in a historic growth. In order to meet the surging demand for order delivery, the company issued a call to win the battle and fight for 50 days. Every employee threw himself into this delivery feast with full enthusiasm. Workers make every pump with their hands and water the flower of quality with their sweat. Their efforts are the strong backing for us to deliver orders on time. Not only the production line, but other teams are also brightly lit. The technical team is working hard to overcome every technical difficulty. The testing team is carefully verifying the factory performance of each batch of products. The planning team is carefully arranging each production link. And the logistics team is working hard to ensure that every order can be delivered on time. Here, everyone is an integral part of the team. We work together, face challenges together, and share joy together. Every truck in the shipping area carries the trust and expectations of customers. And they also convey the gratitude and commitment of Credo Pump. Facing challenges, we never back down. Facing opportunities, we move forward courageously. Credo Pump. Best pump, trust forever.